Once there was a hard-working farmer who was worried about his crops. You see, his crops were being destroyed every day by flocks of birds who would slowly eat away at his livelihood. Feeling agitated, he came up with a plan. He decided tomorrow in the morning he would trap the birds. When the birds came, he managed to capture all with a big net. To his surprise, a big crane was trapped with them also. The crane pleaded and pleaded with the farmer to free him, that he was sorry and not a part of this group of strange fowl. To this request, the farmer answered, "You were found in the company of these birds who destroyed my crops. I cannot let you go. I won't spare you either." Here's a fact. We all get judged for the company we keep. Do you surround yourself with good, sound, moral characters? It's never too late. Right around the corner is a new you, an opportunity to destroy what could come back to destroy you. It's no secret. We all know what the right thing is. So, go and do the right thing.